Question number 10. A jug was 3/5 filled with juice, meaning, again, my jug has a capacity of 5 units. This is for the jug. Okay? After 56 more juice was poured into the jug, comma, it became 5/6 filled. Now, this is where it gets a little bit complicated because initially you said, hey, I've got like 5 units in total, but now you're saying your jug becomes 6 units. Okay, so you have to understand that it is still the same jug. You can draw a model for this, but it might get a bit complicated. We will do, I will show you how to draw a model, or we can just change the denominator to the same, since you know that both fractions represent the total capacity of the jug. Okay, the denominator on both ends will represent the total capacity of jug. Since they are the same thing, that means we can change the denominator to make them the same. I'm going to change the denominator first before I show you the second method of drawing the model. Okay, so multiplied by 6, multiplied by 6, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 5. This would give us the smallest common denominator. Okay, so here we go. So that's why I didn't really want to draw a model, because if I do draw a model, I have to draw like 30 units. A bit more complicated, right? Okay, so this is what you have at first. Okay, 13 out of 30. And this is what you have in the end, 25 out of 30. Do you think you can compare them? So 18 out of 30 of the jug, okay, which is the 18 units, plus 56 centimeter cube of jug gives you 25 out of 30 of the jug. So if it gets a bit complicated, maybe this would help. You have got 18 units at first, then it became 25 units. How many units was added? And that unit that was added would be equivalent to this 56 centimeter cube of water. Okay, try and solve for the full capacity. Remember, the full capacity is 30 units. Okay, now let me clear it a bit, and then I would draw my model. If you cannot visualize using this method, do draw the model. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a bigger size for my model, because I know that I have to cut later. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. No space. Okay, cannot. Too big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then it was 3/5 filled with juice. Here you go. I'm gonna give you some juice. Okay, and then they said that when I add 56 more centimeter cube more juice, it became 5/6 filled. So 5/6 filled means that, like I said, 3 out of 5, 5/6 multiplied by 6 times 6 times 5 times 5. This is 18/30, 25/30. Okay, I'm gonna do a shortcut since we know that we're not gonna touch the yellow color parts anymore because it was already there. I'm not really gonna cut it, okay? I'm just gonna write 6 units. This is gonna become 6 units, 6 units, 6 units. Then I cut the rest. Okay, so I've got 18 there already. 18, then after that cut this into 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna cheat a bit. Duplicate. Do you realize? A bit messy already. So I'm gonna outline the original model. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is my original size. Okay. Then I know that I have got 18 units already, 18 units, but in the end I need to become 25. So how many more units must we add? We must add, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, this is 5 out of 6. And this is 56 centimeter cube. Okay, and then you would know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units is equivalent to 56 centimeter cube. You can find 1, and then you can find the total capacity. Remember, this is the total capacity. Alright, so just be a bit careful when you are drawing model. Do not draw your ruler because it's just going to become very messy. Then when it's very messy, you will get a lot of careless mistakes and you cannot see what you have drawn, you count wrongly, and then you lose all your marks, which is pointless. If you do want to draw a model, draw a model big enough, clear enough, neat enough for you to see. Okay? Some of you draw my model like that. I'm going to cut. What? Why is this? Okay, this is not acceptable. You have got quite a big piece of paper. Make use of all the space that you can. Alright, so draw a clear model to help you visualize. A model is supposed to help you visualize. If you don't want to draw a big model, then you might as well don't draw it. If you don't want to draw a clear model, then there's no point in drawing a very unclear and very messy model. So do it. If you want to do it right, do it well. There's still one more question number 14, that I'm not going to go through now, because with the rest of the questions that I have given you, I want you to try this on your own. Don't worry, we'll definitely go through during lessons. Okay, even those questions that I have that are featured in the video, I will still go through the rest of the videos with you guys. Okay, see you. I will go through the rest of the questions with you guys in class. Okay, bye bye.